If you left a girl, or let's say a girl left you, two of you broke up, and now all of a sudden, after a while, she's now reaching back to you. She's now trying to come back into your life, and so that two of you can continue where two of you left. Now, one thing you should check before you accept that girl back is check if she dated a guy after leaving you, and also check if she slept with any guy after she left you. If this girl dated a guy after she left you, then it obviously means that she left you to be with another guy. And if she slept with another guy after leaving you, it means that she left you to go and be sleeping with another guy, or to go and sleep with other guys. This is one thing you must check. Now, when a woman leaves you and goes to be with another guy, and she's now back to you, trying to come back to you, trying to see if you can date her again, be careful. Because a woman who left you to be with another guy, most likely the reason why she's coming back is because her plans with that new guy did not work out. So she's not coming back to you because she sees you as a plan B. She sees you as a second option. And trust me, you don't want to be dealing with a woman who sees you as a second option. A woman who sees you as a fallback guy, as a guy she can always fall back to if the guys she really wants fail to meet her expectation. You don't want to be in that position. Trust me, you don't want to be in such a position. Because tomorrow, if that girl sees a guy who she thinks is better than you, she's going to leave you again. As long as the woman left you to be with another guy, most likely she will still repeat that same action again. Because women who leave you to be with other men simply because you are not their first option, if they come back to you, as they are with you that second time, they will also be in constant search of the guy she truly wants. And if she sees a guy who she truly wants tomorrow, she's going to cheat on you, she's going to leave you. As long as you're not a woman's first option, she will never prioritize you. She will always see you as the guy she will just be managing. You don't want to be the guy a woman is managing. No. If you're not a woman's ideal man, don't be with her. Now, as to you guys, you must try your best to make yourself as attractive as possible, because you don't want to be in a situation whereby you will be an option B, a second option. Because the truth is, if you are a man and you've not worked on yourself, you've not become more attractive, you've not become more financially stable, you've not become more well-groomed, women will always see you as an option B, as a second option. That's why you should be motivated to put in the work to become a better man. You should be motivated to put in the work to become a more attractive man. The more attractive you are as a man, the more women will want you. And the more women want you, the more it becomes solidified that you can never be any woman's option B. You will always be their option A. And when you are a woman's option A, that is the only time they will truly treat you well, they will truly submit to you, and they will truly respect you and treat you like a king. Never accept to be any woman's option B. Never, ever, ever do that.